Welcome to DJ
E don settle. The international observers wey monitor dis past general election don tok say INEC no try at all o.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJMTV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update we will carry come for una like this.
Dis international observers wey dey monitor dis past general elections for Naija don describe di February 25th election as crime scene. Say wetin dem use their eye take see no be here o. Say di mago wey dey inside dis past election say it's nothing to write home about o. My people, no be small thing dis people talk o. I go play una dis video now make una watch and hear wetin some of dem talk for dis their press briefing wey dem do so. My people, make una watch the video.
Now, just to show you the extent of the mischief that occurred, the results for the National Assembly elections, which occurred at the same time, simultaneously with the presidential results, were able to be uploaded, but the presidential election results were not uploaded. And till this day, as we speak, the results have not even been completely uploaded. What is even shocking is that we have seen photographs of individuals, a woman in a bathroom, uploaded supposedly as results on INEC's IREV page till this day. How can you elect someone on the basis of the photograph of a woman in the bathroom? I want to quickly mention that a lot of the international observers who were there were as disenchanted as I was. There were 4 African presidents, former presidents, who were in Nigeria to observe the elections. There were over 144,000 observers deployed across the country, and they all were disenchanted by what they saw. I want to say that what happened in Nigeria was not election observation, but a crime watch. We watched a crime being perpetrated on a country of 200 million people with utter and complete impunity. I also want to say that President Jimmy Carter has been vindicated. He went and observed elections in Nigeria many years ago, and he was so upset at the impunity and the brazen theft of the election that he vowed never to go back to Nigeria again. And as that distinguished president is in hospice care, he stands vindicated because Nigeria has refused to learn his lesson.
Hey my people, no be small thing o. Now hear wetin dis people dey talk o. Dis international observers so wey dey monitor the general election, especially this presidential election, na im dey talk well for inside. Dem dey talk more about so say wetin happen, even the transparency. Even dem go check online sef, make dem say make dem go check online for the IREV portal and everything. Wetin dem come dey see na different thing, people picture na dem come dey see online wey dem upload. Say the whole thing the wayo and the mago too much. Anyway, my friend, the update wey carry come like this for now be this. Make una drop una comment and una reason and una see am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. DJ